Um, for number 13, this actually was a little bit of a funny one for me to answer because you know, if if something is blue, then it is a color. Is not really that it is a color, is that it has a color. So I was kind of it had took me a minute to think about this, um, but there it is. So again, if something is blue, then it has a color. Okay. The other options would be, um, I don't know, it's got no color so that it's black, or it's you might also consider something that is white to have no color. Little unclear about what would be outside of that for me. So, but we're just going on the fact that everything that is blue is inside this thing called colors. So that's how they define that. And the next one says, um, I would say this would be um, if something is wheat, then it is a grain. Okay. Um, thing is wheat. And when you say something, you're just basically saying anything out there in the world that we could describe as wheat could also be described as a grain because a wheat is a type of grain. Okay. So if something is wheat, then it is a grain. Okay. And really, more than the specific example, is the important idea that if you know that you're part of this group, then you definitely know you're part of this group. Okay, that's the general idea that we're going with and building on.